Hello friends, in this video let us learn about what is advancement in science and technology, how it is increasing the technology we can say in today's modern world. Day by day the technology it is going on increasing. So let us see one by one presentation how the science and technology it is helping us in today's world we can say. So first of all, what is the meaning of science and technology? Science and technology help each other advance. Scientific knowledge is used to create new technologies. New technologies often allow scientists to explore nature in different ways and make new discoveries. As we know, the different scientists from the different part of the world, they do the research on that and they can make new discoveries on the different topics we can say. So that is the second point it is indicating. Third point is that example of technoscience and technology help each other advance include telescope we can say, microscope. Scientific knowledge is used to create new technologies. Next one, that is the we can see the different diagrams. It has been shown how the technology has been discovered day by day by the various instrument. It has been discovered by various scientists we can say. So next one, here are the some examples of we can say advanced technology. Among current examples, we can say artificial intelligence, agents, speech, handwriting recognition, virtual reality, 3D visualization, smart cards, real time collaboration, enhanced user authentication, data mining, and knowledge management. So, these are the examples of we can say advanced technology which is used in day to day life, we can say. Next one, that is the what are the roles of science and technology. So roles, basically science play a very important role in today's world with the technology. So development in science and technology are fundamentally altering the way people live, connect, communicate, and transact, with profound effects on economic development. Through breakthrough health service, education, technologies have the power to better the lives of poor people in developing countries. The advantage of science and technology are it will make our life easier. It help us recognize our daily activities. This help our work can done faster. It can save our time. We can say it help us to communicate more easily with others. This help us to better know and understand the culture and societies of the people we can say. So in today's world, if you will see the technology, it is basically saving the time of the people, and in very less time we can do the fast work. That is the advantage of science and technology. It has been done by the people. So science and technology, new technologies what has been invented up till now, we can say artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotic process automation, and edge computing, virtuality real and augmented reality, that is a cyber security, blockchain, internets of things. So these are we can say some new technology which has been developed in today's world we can say. Then we can say these are the technologies how it has been increased the demand in today's public life we can say. And what are the 10 advantage of technology we can say. So basically here it is the examples and the points it has been given. We can say some advantages and technology in our life: ease of access to information. www, we are just saying that is the world wide web, abbreviated as www, has made the world a social village. Save time, ease of mobility, better communication means cost efficiency, innovation in many fields we can say, improved banking, better learning techniques for the students and other people in this world we can say. Then what are the objectives of science and technology? Basically what we are getting the objectives. So to promote science and technology amongst people of all age groups, to impart knowledge in various fields of science and technology are related areas, to inspire and encourage the younger generation to discover their talents in various fields of science and technology, and help them to skill them. That is the different objectives of science and technology it has been done. Thank you all of you.